You are welcome, welcome, welcome into the world of success. And in fact, it is my pleasure. We have chosen a few successful students who have shown exemplary performance during our learning process, during the course. And at the same time, I have been closely observing your growth, even in the real life also, even after the course. So that's the reason I am very happy and I am very proud to conduct this particular interview. So we are eager to know more about yourself, and our audience are also eager. So please
Yes, sir.
tell us first, please give your brief introduction.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I'm actually honored to be in the list of your students whom you think I'm to interview by you. I'm really very happy, and as I saw your message, I was thrilled with joy.
Great.
And currently, I'm Janashree, as you know, and I'm pursuing my chartered accountancy course. I have completed my company secretary course as well, and I'm a postgraduate from B.R. Ambedkar Open University. And I also have passion in arts. I do a lot of pastel painting and acrylic painting, and also I do a part-time teaching for the current affairs for the CS students. So
Wow,
company
that's really
secretary students have a paper of current affairs, so I do take that as a part-time teaching.
wow, that's great. So you are a trainer also, I can say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So chartered accountancy is one of the courses which most of the people get scared about.
Yes, sir.
They are very much afraid of. So in fact, how do you get interested towards that particular course, and not only joining, you are progressing with a great pace in that. So could you
Yes, sir.
please share me about your experiences in that particular segment?
Yes, sir. The course is vast. I agree. It is, though initially it looks scary. I agree to it. The
Mm,
thing is that you need to read the index couple of times. So you need to see the content, course content, the subject lessons in detail. Lessons. The name of each topic is given in the ICAI material. So you need to study that first to get an overview of what are the topics you have to study. And second thing, you must stick to the institute material and also to any one author. There are many authors now for each particular subject and many teachers available for help. But you must not go from one to another. You must stick to one, believe in one particular teacher so that you won't get dumped with a lot of information. So
great.
in this process, I always make small notes for myself so that in the last day of the examination, just a day before, I can revise those notes. And making that notes takes a lot of time. It requires patience to sit and jot it down. And for this reason, I introduced my courses for one of the tough papers in the CA final by the name Information System Control and Audit. It is the thing is that it's going to be removed now after 1 year or so. But
Mm,
still, there are few students like me who are writing that paper. For that, I have kept few videos on my YouTube channel MJS Knowledge Hub.
good.
So the thing is that few students gave good comments for that, and they got even above 60 marks in that paper itself. So it really made me very happy.
Good.
So CA is not tough; it is vast. So when
Okay.
it's vast, when you go for a buffet dinner, you see all the items and you choose what to eat.
Mm.
Similarly, see all the contents and accordingly we need to prepare.
Wow, great. So great. So you have not only you are taking it up as a challenge, and you are even trying to help the people, those who are
Yes,
scared of, you are helping them through your YouTube channel.
yes,
That's
sir.
really great. So in fact, you are a person with many caps. I know that. So you are a multifaceted personality. So you are spiritual, and then you have got good habits like making some drawings and all, and in the
Yes.
same way you have got this knowledge sharing kind of passion in you.
Mm.
So basically you are very positive. In fact, you are a person full of energy and positivity. So
Yes, sir.
how come you developed this particular trait in you?
Sir, first thing, my mom, she always guided me to see the good in people. And she always used to say that people or any event in life is like ocean waves. They come and touch and go, touch your feet and go, but they won't stay with you. So situations won't stay. Take the positivity in that. And second thing, what I have learned in the course of my school or college education is that people always try to see the negative aspect in others. So
Mm,
why not to see the positive thing? Why not to see what's good in them? Because all can't be good. Similarly, all people can't be bad. There'll be something good, some bad in them. So
good.
why not I see the positive stuff there and try to get what is required out of them. So it was in that mode where I tried to take the good things. For example, in my 8th and 9th standard, I used to have a lot of doubts in my subject. So
Mm.
the teachers used to be like, "How many questions you ask?" Like that. So and I have seen that they used to get easily frustrated because of the long hours of teaching. If I take that frustration into account, I can't learn. But if I
Mm.
keep on trying with them, trying to move with them and see when they can teach me well, so I can extract the knowledge from them. So that helped me in getting the positivity part out of it.
Wow, very good. That's really great. So, in fact, now the whole world is undergoing a peculiar situation where it is easy to get carried away by the negative vibrations created by the media. Of course, it's a tough situation. But however, there is always a ray of hope, the way your mother teaches you, the way
Yeah.
your attitude is also. So, how do you look at this global pandemic, Corona?
Sir, the global pandemic, when I first heard of, when it came into the country, when I first heard of, the first thing that struck to me, even now, I believe that it is all due to the human exaggeration. Like lot of worry, a lot of desire to conquer something, to achieve something. I should be better than this person, or my daughter should get first married than that lady's daughter. So, or having lavish expenditure. And I think just before Corona thing, I'll share a small example. I came across a news from, I think it was from Japan, I guess. They
Mhm.
were hunting whales. I
Mm.
think it was, no, sorry, they were hunting dolphins for their skin.
Mm.
Around, I think the title was like butchering, like they were completely looting the ocean. Okay.
Oh.
And in that, they killed almost some, maybe some 1 lakh of dolphins. I'm not sure of the figure.
Mm.
50% were pregnant itself.
Oh,
I
horrible.
just thought, what's
Mm.
happening? And immediately after 2 months, this pandemic came. So I felt it's a lot of exaggeration and people are not settling down.
Mm.
Then when I see the news, when you come to the concept of should we see the positive or negative stuff, of
Mm.
course, the thing that good people who are very kind to others, many people died because of this pandemic thing.
Mm.
And those who did some bad thing, they're still alive.
Mm. Mm.
So that also, like the thing, if I see, should we see negative or positive in this
Mm.
thing?
Mm.
It again depends upon your core values, what you're trying to do.
Yeah.
If you follow the media too much, you don't know
Mm.
how to distinguish.
Mm.
Where to do, what not to do, again depends upon inner core values, what to see. Again,
Mm.
because what did you learn? If you have
Mm.
learned only follow the flow, if
Mm.
someone is doing IIT, go behind IIT. Someone is doing CA, go do CA. That is
Mm.
not going to help at this time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, if you want to see positive, what you want to see in that? That will
Yeah.
be the thing here.
Great. So, how do you make use of your time during this particular pandemic lockdown kind of free time
Yes,
nowadays?
sir. Actually, to tell the truth, this lockdown thing was not something new for the CA people because we usually sit with books always. So it was not something new. But the thing was that we're unable to go out. That's the distinction. So what I did, the papers where I was not that strong, or the chapters which I left off, I started studying that. I became bit socializing through Facebook, and
Mm.
then I started to go back to my arts, like
Mm.
do some more artist. I started to learn Zentangle thing, so
Mm.
focus on meditation, trying
Mm.
to go within and see where I was actually lacking and try to
Mm.
improve myself.
Wow, great. That's what I remember, that spiritual angle in you, in fact. So that is
Yes,
helping you nowadays also. Great.
yes, sir.
So, in fact, I remember you are a student of Royal around 3 to 4 years ago, I think you
Yes, sir.
joined
Yes,
three,
sir.
4 years. So, in fact, when did you join Royal and what made you take a decision to join our institute?
I think, sir, it is around in 2013 only, I guess, before that,
Okay.
because
Mm.
I joined Royal to improve my communication skills and
Mm.
soft skills because I was appearing for interviews for my internship. So
Okay.
I did my internship from 2014 to 2017, 3 years of compulsory internship in CA.
Mm.
So 2013 end, I think in the month of September or November, I guess, I
Mm.
joined Royal Institute.
Mm.
First approach was that I was able to see that I can learn there. I had
Mm.
interaction with you.
Mm.
Then I was able to see I can learn how to do the group discussion, especially, and how to introduce myself and how to be confident and present myself over the stage. I
Great.
used to move a lot. I remember that. I used to move a lot. So I
Mm.
wanted to control my movements and my speed, and
Mm.
also to have a flow of things. That's why I took the admission to the Royal Institute to improve my soft skills
Very good.
and also
Very good.
interview skills also.
Excellent. A while ago, you said that you were too inquisitive and your mind was filled with the questions while learning. So
Yeah.
this particular trait in you created some problems to your teachers during your schooling.
Yes,
So
sir.
when it comes to this your learning process during Royal, so how was your experience in this angle? So asking
Uh,
questions and
yes, sir.
getting
It
answers.
was like the same question again. Why should we not start like this and like that?
Yeah.
And I do remember that I used to come after the session as, sir, why should I not do this? Then you used to take your time and explain what would the impression upon the interviewer if I start like in this way. Or I
Mm,
used to have some personal questions like if I have this gap in my career, how should I answer? So
mm,
you used to take your time and then explain what will be the perspective of the interviewer
mm.
if I answer in this way. That used to, okay, so this is where I need to align myself. So that inquisitive nature gave me an edge to answer the same questions there.
Very good. Very good. So how was your overall experience with the Royal Soft Skills Campus?
It is ever remembering, sir. Like
Very.
right from the to the teachers and even to the staff, your office staff.
Mm,
It was an always remembering experience. Even now, if people ask me where to
mm,
join, I recommend Royal Institute.
very good.
Even the most important thing what I liked is the group discussion and your way of including all kind of students, because
Mm,
people are from different language backgrounds, different perspective and different education levels. So and also different countries also. I had three
yeah.
Africans in mind in my
Batch.
group. I do remember that.
Yeah.
So including everyone and taking them on the flow is really a tough job. So I even learned that kind of
Mm,
leadership skill over royal thing there.
great. Great. So that's really nice to know about your feelings about Royal. So in fact, before joining Royal, naturally you might have had the choices. So first of all, I need to salute that even though there is a choice for you, because the world is full of choices. That way, there are a good number of institutes. Every institute is a good institute in its own way. So what made you take a decision to choose us by then?
Said to tell the truth, I only saw. I think it was Vita. I guess it was
Mm,
above the board of the
mm,
Royal Institute. Was a board there. I only
okay.
saw the board. I never
Mm,
inquired with them.
okay.
The first entry was only to Royal. I never
Okay.
again took a second chance. The thing what attracted me was your pamphlets. You used
Mm-hmm.
to have distribution of pamphlets where
Mm-hmm.
you kept three different kind of courses at the time, which I remember.
Great.
Also, with you should keep an extra ad that people who want interview skills will be separately given. So that
Mhm.
pamphlet was very attractive. And when I entered the Institute for Inquiry, uh, I had discussion with your office people.
Mm,
Then second day I had a discussion with you.
mm.
So the way you explain how the things will go gave me a bit more confidence of what can achieve there.
Very good.
So it
Very
was
good.
one choice, and that is the choice. That's it.
Oh, wow, great,
So
great.
I was fixed. I took a delay of I should have joined bit before, but due to the
Mm,
exams and all these things, I came bit next. I took the next batch, but I
mm.
fixed it. If I should go to this institute.
Oh, great, great. So, what sort of, because with certain expectation and with certain, how to say, some goal in your mind, you might have
Mm.
joined or
Yes.
initiated. So, what sort of a transformation that you observed in you after joining us?
Yes, the first thing, what mainly I still remember I implement is that my facial expression. Okay,
Mm,
so I used to giggle a lot.
mm.
That I reduced. I used to
Yeah.
giggle a lot.
Mm,
I used to talk a lot of speed because I want to convey many stuff at
mm,
a time.
mm,
And then I used to use my hands more. My
mm.
hands were, I used to use my hands a lot. I used to wave like this. So
Okay,
those things got gradually reduced, and I was able to help other students in the group discussion thing. I
good.
was able to motivate them. So
Mm,
that made me a bit more confident, good type of leadership kind of thing.
very
So
good.
that gradually I took that, I saw the changes in me,
Great,
having
great.
a smooth flow of talk,
Mm,
less usage of hands, less
mm.
giggling, and standing straight and expressing yourself.
Very good. So, because every day you are supposed to come onto the stage and you are supposed to give the presentations in our institute.
Mm.
So, that aspect also you might have liked very much, I
Yes,
believe.
sir.
Great. So, before we go to other topics, one last
Yes,
question
sir.
about the
Sure, sure.
institute.
Anything, sir.
So, in fact, here the different people join us, the people with the
Mm.
different languages, mother tongues, I
Mm.
mean to say.
Yes, sir.
So, then here that we are forced to speak only English, either the trainer or the students. So,
Yes,
how
sir.
do you look at that particular thing? Is it an advantage or is it a disadvantage?
Sir, actually, it's advantage only.
Hmm.
But if I see from the student perspective, for first 2 days, not me, I saw them.
Yeah.
They were a bit discomfort because
Yeah.
they were. feeling shy and they were unable to formulate the words.
Mm, mm,
So then slowly, because we are forced to talk in English,
mm.
they developed this habit of making a group, talking, interaction with people. They
Yeah,
learned the words and then slowly they picked up the English thing.
great,
So
great.
totally it's an advantage thing.
Okay.
One thing which I felt is that the advantage must be communicated.
Yes,
I don't
yes.
remember if it was told or not because it has been 7 years now.
Yeah.
Uh, if you in one sentence, it is a good step to
Mm,
start English so that
yeah.
they can formulate the words. Of course,
Mm,
they will do exact conversion from Telugu to English, which is like
mm.
sometimes will not suit them. But
That's
at least they will try. They will try
true.
their best to speak in English.
Mm,
So that's overall, it's a very good objective. That
yeah,
will
yeah.
make the institute as yes, it's English speaking institute,
Yes,
not the
yes.
Telugu one.
Yeah. So that's the reason we can afford to have the different language people in a same group, as you observed correctly. The
Yes,
people
sir, I'm
from
saying
other
that.
countries and people with other language backgrounds also. That's
Yes, sir.
really great. So we followed a methodology called 20-80 method, we call. Means 20% of the time
Yes,
we
sir.
spend in giving you the knowledge and information, and 80% of the time we allow you to interact in various activities. So how do you
Yes, sir.
feel about this particular methodology?
It's actually a good thing, sir, because if the trainer tells more,
Mm,
and if the student, suppose in case if it doesn't grasp it, it will not be effective thing. But if
yes.
the trainer, it will be improvement for the trainer, not for the trainee. But if
Yeah,
the
yeah.
trainee is given opportunity,
Mm,
first time he may flumble, but
mm,
he will be
mm,
attentive while listening to the 20% thing.
mm,
He will try to implement it. And
mm,
suppose if he comes back to his seat and if he
mm.
gets second chance, he will prepare well and go there.
Yeah,
So he will
yeah.
remember his mistakes and try to improve them. And he will
Perfect.
be okay. I'll get some chance. I'll get equal opportunity to participate. So that is the best approach, having 20 to 80%. The
Wow.
Pareto ratio in
Yeah, Pareto
CA
principle. Yes, yes. That is taken from statistics only. In fact, is an
statistics,
Italian
and we
scientist.
use in our costing.
Great, great. So fine. So in fact, we do remember that you have got a passion, or else how to say, liking towards
Hmm.
cats and kittens. So is
Yes,
that a
sir.
habit still there with you?
Yes, sir. Actually, it moved to dogs
Mhm.
from cat,
You
but
got
still
to
I love cat.
great.
I do the cat sound also.
Okay. Now you are graduated from cats to dogs.
Dogs, but I still love cats.
Very
Dogs
good.
a bit more.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Okay, fine. Now, what exactly is your goal in life? Of course, you are in the line of chartered accountancy. And what
Hmm.
exactly is your passion and what you want to, how do you want to be? And where do you want to be in your life?
Sir, if you ask me the overall big perspective,
Mm,
my goal is to help the students.
wow,
Students,
great.
should be any background, any financial level.
Mm,
See, having finance doesn't mean they are capable of. They can be
mm,
some
mm,
mental issues.
yeah.
So I want to help students from every angle, make
Mm,
them get the subject into their head and feel that it is achievable.
mm,
So my objective and goal is to serve the student. It can be any mode. It can be social media, or it can be online classes, or one-to-one coaching, or even mentorship also. So
very
I'm
good.
focusing on the student community as a whole, so that they
Wow, great.
can get the required mental support. In the
Good.
especially the COVID times, I've seen people stressed out, students, exam
Mm,
is there or not. There are all those kind of negativity happening. So I
mm,
want to support them in that man, the big one. If you ask
okay.
me what is the intermediate small goal, first to
Mm,
pass my CA and get a good job. That will be
okay.
the small one.
Very good. Definitely, definitely you are going to achieve it. And already I think you have achieved one milestone, that is company secretaryship course you have completed, I believe, right?
Yes, sir. I completed that, sir.
Very good. So you are very much in the success path, and we wish you all the best because this is our 21st anniversary year. On this occasion, we thought of
Wow,
interviewing.
congratulations, sir.
Thank you, thank you. So on this occasion, I thought of interviewing some of our gems amongst our diamonds, rather I can say. So you
Thank you,
are
sir.
one amongst them, and in fact, we maintain a kind of healthy relationship at Royal, that we always keep a helping hand or a hand holding or support will be there with all our students always.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
in case you need any sort of service assistance, you can always feel free to get
Sure,
in
sir.
touch with us. So is there
Yes, sir.
anything that, for example, I have one last question for you. In fact,
Yes, sir.
there is a student, let us assume, he is from English
Hmm.
medium right from childhood, and he is able to understand English, and he is good at his expression when it comes to his mother tongue. He's a communicator, but somehow he is not able to speak English fluently. Now he is in a confusion, where to go, where to join. Now, what would be your suggestion for that kind of students in case?
Sir, first thing uh, than giving the institute name, I'll first introduce them to you, because first the people always when come to coaching they invest in mentor. So first when they talk to you, they'll understand what they're dealing with.
Okay.
Then as he is the person who runs the institute, they'll get the confidence in that. So then I can tell them to join there, take the class, and then listen to you and get the I can say English enlightenment.
Wow, great, great. So really, it's very much heart touching and motivating your words, sir. So
Yes, sir.
it is
Thank you, sir.
nice talking to you. So have a great day, and the good times
Same here,
from
sir.
from Corona, and all. The good times are going to happen, and we are very confident we would be seeing you in much more successful position. So we wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.